Ma'am, I just found a small unmarked plastic bag with white powder under the pillow. This looks suspicious. I will record it in the lost and found register with a detailed description.
Good. What's your next step?
Because this may be an illegal or dangerous substance, I will not open, smell, or touch the item any further. My immediate action is to secure the room, leave the item where it was, and report it to Secure and View immediately, following hotel safety protocols.
Correct. Suspicious or illegal items must be left untouched and reported right away.
Yes, ma'am. I will now write a formal incident report about my discovery.